In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from a PDF in Android Mobile. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily select, copy, and use text from almost any PDF file right on your phone, whether you want to paste it into a message, a note, or a document. First, unlock your Android phone and open your PDF using any PDF viewer app you already have installed. Most Android devices come with a built-in PDF viewer, or you might be using a popular reader from the App Store. Just tap on the PDF file, either from your downloads or your file manager, and choose to open it with your preferred viewer. Once the PDF is open, take a moment to zoom in to the part of the page that contains the text you want to copy. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out, so the text is large enough to tap accurately. This makes it much easier to highlight only the words you need. Now, press and hold your finger on a word in the PDF. After a brief pause, you should see that word become highlighted, and small selection handles will appear on each side of it. These handles look like little blue or white dots or lines, depending on your app. Drag the left and right handles to adjust the selection so that it covers all the text you want to copy. Take your time here, especially if the paragraph is long or close to images. If you accidentally select too much or too little, just move the handles again until the highlight is exactly where you want it. Once your text is selected, a small menu will usually pop up above or below the selection. Look for the option that says Copy and tap on it. If you see additional options like Highlight, Underline, or Share, make sure you specifically choose Copy. At this point, the selected text is stored on your clipboard. Next, close or minimize your PDF app and open the app where you want to paste the text. This could be your messaging app, your email, a notes app, or a document editor. Tap in the text box where you want the copied text to appear, then press and hold until the paste option shows up. Tap Paste, and the text you copied from the PDF will appear there. If the text doesn't paste correctly or shows up with strange spacing, you can quickly tidy it up by deleting extra spaces or line breaks. That's all you need to copy text from a PDF on your Android mobile.